In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace Business Emails 2026 step by step. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to the Google Workspace website. This is where you'll start the setup that connects your domain to Gmail and the rest of the Workspace tools. On the homepage, choose either Get Started or Start Free Trial. Both options walk you through the same setup flow, and the trial gives you full access so you can test everything before committing. You'll be asked for your business name, the number of employees, and your region. This helps Google tailor defaults like language, time zone, and recommended settings, and it sets you up with the right scale from day one. Next, decide whether to use a domain you already own or purchase a new one. If you already have a domain, make sure you can log into your domain registrar. If you need a new domain, you can buy it directly during setup, which simplifies verification later. Create your administrator username and a strong password. This is your master account for managing users, billing, and security. Use a secure, unique password and set up recovery options and two-step verification to protect your organization. Now verify that you own your domain. Google will prompt you to add a TXT record at your domain registrar. Copy the exact value Google provides and paste it into your DNS settings. Save, wait a moment for DNS to update, then click Verify in the setup wizard. If you don't see success immediately, give it a few minutes and try again. Activate Gmail by updating your MX records. Replace any existing MX entries with Google's MX records exactly as provided. This step routes email for your domain to Google servers. DNS changes can take time to propagate, so send a test message after a short wait to confirm delivery. Open the admin console at admin.google.com and add additional users as needed. Assign roles thoughtfully. Most people are standard users, while only a few should be admins. Encourage users to enable two-step verification for better security. Create free email aliases to keep your inbox organized, for example, a general support address that delivers to your primary mailbox. You can also use groups for team shared addresses that multiple people can access. Finally, choose a subscription plan before the 14-day trial ends. Compare storage, security features, and support levels, then add billing to avoid service interruption. That's it. Follow these steps, and your business email will be live, secure, and ready for your team.